What's up, guys? In today's lesson, we'll be looking at another pentatonic lick to make you, improvise like the pros do. All right? If you're excited to get into it, let's do it. Still in the key of C. All right? So it goes like. All right, so mi so all right, so let's pick it slowly. So 3 5 6 5 3 1 2 1 6 3 1 2. If I say it in solfege, it sounds like mi so la so mi do re do la mi do re, right? So it's all from the pentatonic scale. All right, so if you play with a 4 chord, for example, let's start with, even with a 6 chord. So going to the 3. One. See how it works on all the chords. So this means that if you are in a setting in like, in a band or in a performance situation where you're playing a simple chord progression that takes any chords from the scale, you can play this, and you don't have to be stuck to playing this in the key of C only, right? In C sharp, right? Try and practice in all the keys. D, it's just a matter of what the notes are. You memorize the notes in one key. I do it in C for ease for everyone. But some of you say you want it in C sharp. Of course, you can do it in C sharp, right? So in F sharp, and you can do it in any key that you prefer. All right, so that's the lick. Mi so la so mi do re do la mi do re. So check the fingering as well. So you could do like this. That's if you want to be technical and go with the exact or the correct fingering for this, right? But sometimes you play what your fingers find comfortable. So let me slow it down. All right, so let's check this one out with the loop and hear how that sounds. All right, all right, to the 4 chord. One more time. Pick it up. All right. So one thing I like to also do sometimes, so we just want to add just a layer of a bit of flesh onto this lick. So sometimes, like when I play, I like to play. So if I play, so I like to do. So it's like you're doing a frill on that. And this is something I do quite a lot, like all right, but then in this field I can do, right? So let's go. Go. So right, right. Now you try it, right? Right. Nothing wrong with playing the same drill a few times to get used to it, all right? And then of course you can fuse in with your so now just 4 and 1, 4 and 3, and then to be practicing your so that's actually a good way of practicing how to improvise so that your left hand can be separate from your right hand, right? Because you keep the left hand going regardless of what you're doing. So this is actually good practice for improvisation, keeping the chords going, right? Then you bring in your legs, right? So that's what makes the legs stand apart, because it's not just a regular scale like go, right? It's not that, but you're actually playing so you're actually playing. So I'm just playing like variations of the same lick, right? So that's how you take your time and go through some of these improvisation practice, right? So pick this lick. If you've studied the lick we did last week, well, in the previous lesson as well, you can by all means try and put it together. Maybe I'll just do 10 seconds of putting the last lick together. That was yeah, so that was it. So let's put it together with all right. And I think we did a few variations of the previous one. We did the so I'll put these ones together and we see. I'll start with this lick, right? They'll take the previous lick. Yeah. Right. Yeah, I mean, if I want to keep playing this, it's so much fun to play around improvising with pentatonic. So if you've never improvised, I suggest you start with pentatonic licks, learn a few licks which you know, and then in between the licks you put in certain notes in the scale. Because sometimes if you just play, even that alone sounds good. The pentatonic scale on its own sounds good regardless, right? So if you're excited joining this lesson, do well to share this, hit the subscribe button, And also put a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know if this is going well for you, or you want me to, take a different twist to it, and then I'll see what I can do about it. All right. Thank you for joining me in this lesson. I'll see you in the next one.